Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Amparucci and today I'm going to show you guys how to make an easy, refreshing orange sherbet. As always, the ingredients and tools that I use in this video will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, to give it a big thumbs up and click down below and subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post new recipe videos. Okay, so to get started, I have 3 oranges and what I'm going to do first is zest them. Right, and I zested those as much as I could. Now I'm going to juice them. And if you don't have a juicer, which I don't have, this is what I do. This is the easiest way to juice. With a fork, twist and squeeze at the same time. And then I'll add all the zest in there as well. Okay, so here I have the orange juice that I squeezed from the 3 oranges and it gave me exactly 8 ounces of fresh orange juice. So I'm gonna pour that into a bigger measuring cup. And then I have 10 ounces of orange juice, 100% orange juice. I'm going to add that in here. And that gives me about 20 ounces, which is about 2.5 cups of orange juice and fresh squeezed orange juice. I'm gonna give these a little mix. Now in a medium saucepan or a regular pan, I'm gonna pour in the orange juices, along with 1 cup of sugar. And I'm going to boil this for about 15 minutes until it reduces into a syrup consistency. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. And this has reduced to a syrup consistency. And this reduced from about 2.5 cups to just a little over 1 cup, about 1.25 cup of orange syrup. Now I'm going to let this cool completely. So to make the orange sherbet, I have 2 cups of heavy cream that I'm going to pour into a bowl. And I have the orange syrup that I just made. Nice and thick. Make sure that that's cool. I'm going to whisk this together. At this point I gave it a taste and I feel that it needs a little more acidity, so I'm going to add the juice of 1 fresh squeezed lemon, along with the juice of 2 tangerines, and the juice of 2 fresh squeezed oranges. And finally, 1/2 cup of Greek vanilla yogurt to balance everything out. And you see how thick it is? That's gonna give us a creamy ice cream. Okay, now I'm gonna pour all this creamy goodness into my ice cream maker. And I'm going to churn this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so now that the ice cream's done churning, I'm gonna transfer it from here into an ice cream bowl. It's thick, yet fluffy. And it's still a soft serve consistency, so I'm gonna let this freeze for about an hour so it gets nice and firm. So here's the orange sherbet. It's been in the freezer for a little over an hour. Got my scoop. Ooh, this is so creamy. Wow. You can see the orange zest in there. Look at that. Let me give this a try. Look at that consistency. Wow. Wow, this is the creamiest sherbet I have ever tasted. It's so tangy, sweet, and tart. Wow. It's like you're eating a cloud. And the flavor is very reminiscent of those orange sherbet push pops that you had as a child. But obviously no artificial flavors, so 100 times better. Wow. Me and this bowl are gonna need some privacy. Thank you guys for watching my video on how to make this easy, creamy, delicious orange sherbet ice cream. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and click down below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.